If you're looking to migrate your mail services over to 20i, our email migration tool will allow you to do so quickly and easily, all at the click of a button. So long as the mailbox or mailboxes support IMAP functionality in some way, you can use our migration tool to take away the pain of having to migrate mail manually. Currently, we support the migration of any IMAP-enabled mailboxes, in addition to Gmail and Outlook mailboxes specifically. To get started, you'll first want to log into your 20i control panel. Once you've done so, select which package you wish to migrate mail for via the Manage Hosting section of your 20i control panel. Within the Hosting control panel, select the Email Migration tool, which can be found via the Email section. Prior to this, you'll need to ensure that you've created the required mailbox via the Email Account section so that we have something to migrate into. You'll need to have set up the mailboxes within 20i using the same password as currently used by the mailbox with the previous provider. At this point, we should now be able to enter the details required to migrate. Firstly, we'll need to enter a hostname. The hostname will be the name or IP address of the mail server that you're syncing mail from. If you're not sure what this is, it may be worth asking your previous mail provider to confirm. Secondly, we'll need to enter the username for the mailbox, i.e., more often than not, this would simply be the name of the mailbox. Finally, we just need to enter the password. This will be the password for the mailbox at your previous host. Once you've done this, select the destination mailbox, i.e. the mailbox that we've created beforehand, and then select Sync. For an average size mailbox, you can expect the migration to take around 10 to 30 minutes or so. You can keep an eye on the progress of the email migration by checking the Email Migrations page. Once complete, the migration will show as such. If you have any questions about migrating, feel free to get in touch with our support team via the support section in your 20i account.